Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and today I'm excited to dive into a tool that promises to change the way hobbyists and pros tackle everyday fastening tasks. We're looking at the SKIL Flip Drill Driver, a compact, cordless driver priced at just $92, positioned as an affordable option for anyone building a versatile toolkit. In this video, I'll walk you through its design philosophy, how it feels in the hand, and what kind of real-world performance you can expect when you put it to the test on typical home improvement projects. I'll also compare it against some of its rivals in the same price bracket, point out the conveniences that matter on the job site, and flag any compromises you should be aware of before buying. With that overview in mind, let's jump straight into the details that make this drill stand out. The SKIL Flip Drill Driver packs a surprising amount of technology into a compact, lightweight package. At its core is a 20-volt brushless motor that delivers consistent torque while staying cool during extended use, and the clever double-collect flip head lets you rotate the chuck 180 degrees in a snap to switch from drilling to driving without missing a beat. Integrated torque settings give you control over screw depth, and the magnetic onboard storage keeps your driver bits right where you need them, eliminating the frantic search that usually accompanies a busy job site. The included 2.0 battery charges via universal USB-C port, so a quick coffee break is enough to get you back to work, and the same battery can power small USB devices, adding a layer of versatility few competitors offer for this price point. In everyday practice, the flip chuck becomes more than a gimmick. It's a genuine workflow enhancer. Imagine you're hanging a row of cabinets and need to drill pilot holes before driving screws. Instead of swapping tools or wrestling with a traditional chuck, you simply flip the head and continue. This ergonomics-first design shines in tight spaces such as under cabinets or inside trim, where maneuverability is essential. The compact form factor also means you can comfortably balance the drill on a ladder or workbench without fatigue, making it an ideal companion for weekend home improvement projects, assembling furniture, or even quick repairs around the house where speed and convenience matter more than raw power. What sets this drill apart are the practical benefits that translate directly into time saved on the job. The battery life consistently outlasts many rival cordless models, allowing you to drill a dozen holes or drive a batch of screws before needing a recharge. The magnetic bit holder is a small but brilliant touch. Loose bits snap into place, preventing the all-too-common annoyance of dropping them into tight crevices. The weight balance feels almost surgical. It mirrors the heft of higher-end tools like the Milwaukee M12 installation driver, yet remains feather-light enough for prolonged use without arm strain. Users also appreciate the quick change bit system, which truly does let you swap out accessories in the middle of a task without breaking your rhythm. No tool is without its shortcomings, and the SKIL Flip Drill Driver is no exception. While the 20-volt brushless motor provides ample power for light to medium tasks, it can struggle with tougher applications that demand high torque, such as driving long deck screws or working with dense hardwoods. The built-in clutch, though functional, lacks the firmness of more robust competitors, sometimes requiring users to toggle to drill mode to achieve a flush finish. Additionally, the starter bit set that comes with the unit feels a bit flimsy. Some of the smaller bits may bend or snap after heavy use, so investing in a higher quality bit kit is advisable for anyone who plans to push the tool to its limits. From a personal standpoint, I put the SKIL Flip Drill through a real-world test while building a custom bookshelf for my home office. The flip head allowed me to drill precise pilot holes on the inside of the back panels and then instantly switch to driving the shelf brackets without setting the tool down. The battery held steady for the entire morning, only needing a brief 30-minute charge at lunch thanks to the USB-C connectivity. I also took advantage of the magnetic bit storage by keeping a handful of Phillips and flathead bits attached to the drill side, which saved me from rummaging through my toolbox every few minutes. The ergonomic grip and balanced weight meant my wrists stayed comfortable even after hours of repetitive fastening, reinforcing the claim that this tool is built for extended hands-on work. All things considered, the SKIL Flip Drill Driver delivers impressive value for its price tag. Its innovative flip chuck, reliable battery life, and thoughtful magnetic storage make it a standout for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals who need a versatile, portable driver for everyday tasks. While it may not replace a heavy-duty hammer drill for large construction jobs, it excels in the niche of quick, precise drilling and driving, especially in confined spaces. If your projects are primarily light to medium in nature, and you appreciate a tool that streamlines bit changes and reduces downtime, this drill is a solid investment. For those who anticipate regular heavy ton work, pairing it with a dedicated impact driver or hammer drill would provide a more rounded toolkit. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to tighten up your projects, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you'll never miss another tool that powers your DIY groove. Stay sharp, keep flipping ideas into reality, and join us for the next hands-on review and get the edge you need for every job.